In a peaceful jungle, animals lived happily under the bright sun.
Among them was a strong and mighty lion, the king of the jungle.
Near the lion's cave lived a tiny mouse, small but cheerful. One sunny afternoon, the lion lay down for a deep nap.
Suddenly, the little mouse ran over the lion's paw by mistake.
The lion woke up angrily and caught the mouse with his huge paw.
Please, O King, don't eat me. I promise I'll help you one day.
The lion laughed. "Ha ha! How can a tiny mouse help me?" But he let the mouse go. A few days later, something unexpected happened in the jungle. The lion was caught in a hunter's strong net. The little mouse heard his roar and rushed to help. Without wasting a second, the mouse began to chew the net's ropes. Bit by bit, the ropes started to break. Finally, the lion was free. He couldn't believe the little mouse had saved him. Moral: no one is too small to help others. Kindness always comes back to you.
Did you enjoy the story? Subscribe for more amazing tales.